Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is a homemaking one. I know it feels like I'm always sharing grocery in almost all the vlogs, but because I didn't share on the cleaning one, that's fair. Allow me to, please. So I want to share with you, please don't mind my voice, I have flu. I want to share with you a few things. Tomorrow the schools are reopening, so we got few things just to start the week. Got some mayonnaise so that I can make chicken and mayo. I'm sorry I have to hold my phone like this because you know guys, I haven't bought my ring light. Aromite, I've opened it just now. This yeast for sachets, and then Fetties and Moni's macaroni. Timothy says this was on promotion. It was 120 for 2, so I got the medley of fruit, and I don't think it was cheap though. I think Rods is the only juice that is cheap at the moment. And then these Secret of the Valley, different fruits as well. Let me just turn, must I turn the camera? Okay, the thingy, what? Baked bean. It is 3 of them, and then tasty rice. Guys, let me try to do better. I don't know where I ended. So there's also this Pamela fruit cocktail for my breakfast, and I enjoy having it with this granola muesli without the raisins and all that. I don't like raisins anyway. Toothpaste, 2 kg tasty rice, and then spaghetti, golden cloud flour. Take away a shell, she didn't finish her food. And then this, at least I still have, like, I opened this I think yesterday, I don't remember, if not day before. Just now I got this as well, so I'm going to take some time to get another one. Guys, why am I so clumsy?
Going to eat you now. Hey, I'm still painting.
And then all these for so you see the Nivea deodorants, and then peanut butter. We have completely run out of this. Milk for the girls we still have, but it won't last for the whole month. I don't know if I've mentioned orange juice, tropical flavored apple squash. I don't know this one. And then cheese and yogurt. And then coming down to this bag, there is the rolls. Maybe I'll make hot dogs in some of the thingy, in some of the lunch boxes. And I want to share short videos on TikTok for the lunch boxes. I want to be active on TikTok as well. Raja, this is a big one. Raja mild and spicy curry powder biscuits for the girls, stock butter, and then cheese mix, chicken flavor. Love these. Very hot pepper sauce, and then some tennis biscuit, and then I got this samp. I've been buying the quick cook samp a lot, but today I want to cook this one because the water is gloomy. We are making mogodu, so I think this one works best with the other one. That one, it's fine if you're having it with stew, but not with the, you know, I don't know if you get me or if I'm making any sense. And then we have Knorrox cubes, beef curry flavor, and mutton curry And then on this side it's just meat. This is a beef stew that we buy in our local butchery. And then this is mogodu. Smells bad though. This is mogodu. I don't know why. Okay, I do know why. Ever since I got here in Pretoria, I call this mogodu, but in my home language we call it usu. And then I have sunlight washing liquid, and then handy Andy. And then Clicks brand torch rolls. We buy whatever is reasonable at the time. And then we got this aromatherapy fabric softener and 2 Lux bath soap. That's about it, you guys. I quickly want to cook because I still have to fetch my neighbor's son. It's 5 o'clock. Let me just pack these things away. I'll pack them off camera and start cooking.
Brand new street and brand new me. Side by friends I need. Don't you tell me that you're in town. I already know, couple days ago. Hey, now that our names are written in stone, let's be honest, sounds like home. Still I'm here alone and I'm calling your phone. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could dream about somebody else. I wish I could talk when the silence so loud. I wish, oh I wish I could wipe my.
Guys, please don't mind my hairstyle and don't come at me. So mogodu takes time to cook and it's already late. I'm going to make some snack for my people. I should be putting food here, but I know they are not going to be here. It's ready to cook these. Another thing that I wanted to mention is that don't eat mogodu. We hardly cook it, we buy it. I'm boiling mogodu separately, and then I'm boiling samp and beans in another pot. For also I'm using a stove, and then for beans and samp I am using a gas. So that's that. Just don't be surprised. I'll mix it when I'm dishing up, so that I dish up separately for them. I don't know, they are scared of also. I'll catch up with you guys when I'm done, because there's nothing really much to show on this meal. And another thing is that I really like it the old way. I like to put only onions on samp and usu. Other than that, I don't like it with peppers or all those fancy stuff. I just like it basic like that.
feels nice. But let's get back to real life. Real life. Talking about that real life. Holding on 'cause it just feels nice. But let's get back to real life. Talking about that real life. Holding on 'cause it just feels nice. Let's get back to real life. You tell him he's all you see. Tell him you got his keys 'cause you thought he needed them. But he's not coming back again. So he's gone, leaving then. You won't see him again. It was convenient, but you won't be staying friends. And you know that, sweetie, you know that. Think you knew it before, but you just ignored that. So now you want.
The part of me putting in the inner was going to take long, so I did it off camera. And please don't come for me, guys. I'm not going to iron it. This cover, I'm not going to iron it. All I want is a clean bed since it is a new week. Nothing more, nothing less. That's all I want. So I'm going to put in the cushion pillowcases. I got these at oh, my cushions are now 13. I got these at Mr. Price Home. I love this kind of cotton. It's like a winter kind of pillows, which I love so much. I'm sorry about the noise that is coming outside. So I'm just going to put these and then make the bed decent.
But now you found and you realize it wasn't at all like what you created in your mind. It wasn't even nice. You wasted all your time. You didn't even like him in real life. Real life.
Because these are super big for my bed, but I bought them anyway and they were on promotion. I don't remember the original price, but I bought each for 200 rands if I'm not mistaken. I think I still have those things. Let me just try and... These are not too cheap, you guys. I don't know if you can see. This was $250. It's just that it's upside down, but it was $250. It was not that much of a bargain. It's just that they are super huge. Let's try to make a plan for them.
Talking about that real life. Holding on 'cause it just feels nice. But let's get back to real life. Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. sense of it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes.
So as you guys can see, I think these are super big, but for now it's okay. I'm still going to clean that couch. For now it's okay, but I'm definitely going to take them to the living room and get another pillows that won't hide these pillows. I don't know if that makes sense, because the one at the back, at least they are appearing a bit, and it's also because I used that quilt to kind of lift them up, but that's not functional. I cannot live like that when I'm always making a bed just for the aesthetics, but for the purpose of this video, that's what I did. You guys saw me. And then this pillow is sorted, and I didn't show you guys my mattress protector. I got it from a shop where we went to get the girls beds. It is super soft. I'm loving it so much. So now I'm going to sort out the couch, sweep the floor. I'm not going to mop today. All I wanted was a clean bed for today, so I'm not going to mop today. I'm just going to sweep the floors and maybe off camera. But thank you guys so much if you're still with me. I'm going to show you how the room looks when I'm done.